Jeep Wrangler 4xe has pure electric operation, which means there's probably some sounds you're not going to be quite familiar with in comparison to a combustion engine running in the background. They're all normal. It's just the switches and relays in the vehicle trying to figure out the best way and most efficient way to propel it. When in electric mode, the Jeep Wrangler 4xe is not only quiet on the inside, but also very quiet on the outside. So among the not so familiar sounds, engineers created a whooshing sound for a pedestrian warning. The vehicle emits the sound anytime it's traveling between 0 and 15 miles per hour, forward or reverse.